Before starting this video, I just want to tell you that I'm not a good speaker, and in this entire video, I'm going to learn about how to draw muskmelon in watercolor and in different styles. Okay, so the main objective of my painting is to learn to teach myself, and I'm sure I'm going to bore you guys. So if you think you want to leave now, and if you want to stay, please watch, skip the first part, go to the back and learn how to do watercolor in a muskmelon, and I'm sure you will love this. And I have divided this work into three types. One is normal sketching, then is like a warm-up watercolor, then the original painting. So I have divided into this muskmelon also have divided into two parts. When first time I have just kept the watermelon, the muskmelon entirely. Then I have cut the muskmelon. So I hope this video might be helpful to you, and thank you so much. A practice watercolor sketch now I'm going to do. I'm just defining the colors and all. I'm not going to put a lot of colors, but very less colors that will be exactly similar to the original reference, and this will be giving me a little bit of confidence or knowledge about what colors to put when, and this will help me in that case. Scenarios: I started with lemon yellow, then I went to yellow ochre, then little bit of orange. I use yellow and crimson red, then burnt china. Over here for base I have directly used burnt china and little bit of yellow ochre, and so entire work is something like that. This is sap green that I'm using over here. Then I'm going to use purple, red and blue, and Persian blue as well, little bit. In blue family I'm going to use ultramarine blue and Persian blue. So I just think I should not talk, just see the object itself. I'm just focusing on one single object, not going to the main object itself. I'm just taking one main object and coloring that only. So that was just for help, and this will be guiding me in the main object itself. So now I'm going to try, or I'll be attempting to draw over here, and I hope this thing will help you a little bit. Now starting the part 2. I hope the first part was, you love it, or you understand something. But now this is the part 2, and I hope if you did not understand the first part, this second part will be helping a little bit. If you did not understand the first part, I'm sorry for that, and I will try to improve myself. I'm really sorry. I will say that in the entire thing, this was the most amazing part. I will feel like, because I really love how this thing came out. It was look for me. It was looking like the original itself. So yeah, I will say that I really love this one, and I know you will not acknowledge that, but this part was really amazing from my regards. And that's it. From here on, it is our last watercolor I'm going to do, and in the end, I just think I messed up in this a little bit, but I guess I was really tired. It was like 2 hours sitting in a chair, 2.5 hours, so I was really tired and all. But yeah, I really love the pieces that I've cut. The entire piece that was behind, that was not, I messed up over there, but rest it was quite good. If you think I should improve somewhere, or I was lacking somewhere behind, please let me know. That will also help me a lot, because I'm an art student, and please let me know if you think I just messed up somewhere, because I'm a student, and I guess who can be the best teacher? The person who is viewing the entire stuff. They can teach me a little bit. So please let me know where you think I was lagging behind. So thank you. So this is the entire thing that I learned today, and I hope this video was helpful to you some way or another, because it was helpful to me. I hope it was helpful to you as well. And if you think I should improve somewhere, please let me know. And thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this video.